your vision for this? Is it dark wood on the floors? Is it lighter wood? Is it going to be, are you going to have like games on the wall, TV? Like, what are you going to do?
I'm
What
not
is your
keeping.
vision?
I'm not keeping this house, so I
Right.
don't get to put the games in. But I would say this. I see a big screen TV. I see lots of couch space, and I see games. I see a pool table. I like arcade games. I'm looking for one right now for our house. So this space, it could be anything. You could turn it into an office. Somebody could make it into a suite. And
This is a massive office.
well, if you have a lot of work,
That's a good point. Yeah.
I can fill this space. You should see my house. There's paper everywhere.